Get a list of every storage provider. Connect your storage to the PDF API. Upload a PDF document to your connected storage. Define the path to the document. Change the name of the uploaded document if needed. Your document has been uploaded to the folder you indicated. Add tags to your document to easily locate it. Create a shareable link to your document. Add a redirect URL. Add or delete the editing tools that your recipients will see. Share the document link with recipients. Recipients can fill out and sign the document using the tools you've added. Download the signed document.